In 2022, millions of Nigerians faced one of the worst floods across the last decade. 60, across the last decade. And this is a very big problem because it's actually affected the infrastructure and agricultural ecosystems at scale. And now this problem is not just unique to Nigeria. Actually, Africa's economic systems is largely agricultural-led. 60% of the world's farmlands are found in Africa, and 17% of the GDP of Africa is from agriculture. Yet institutions are unable to lend to farmers. And what is the reason for that? That is because they are unable to price climate risk at scale. And that is because the data is slow, expensive, and inaccurate. Now, I've spent more than 10 years researching for this problem. And what I've seen consistently over and over and over again is the fact that while there is a lot of data available, this data is not structured in a way that makes sense to financial institutions to use to model climate risk at scale. And nobody else is solving for this problem adequately. That is why we founded Agrails. My name is Mwenda, CEO, and I introduce to you Agrails, a platform that enables institutions to price and respond to climate risk at scale, enabling 100x market reach at 70% cheaper. We believe that by enabling businesses to use this technology, they're going to power the financial inclusivity, enable businesses to lend more to farmers and other sectors of the economy, enable them to get insurance and ensure sustainability for the world's 2 billion people. And we've made traction. So far, we've closed more than $6 million in annual recurring revenue, supporting 60,000 farmers and growing that to 500,000 farmers by the end of the year. Now, our North Star goal is to get that to 10 million farmers by the time we reach 2030. So far, we've raised money from incredible investors and angels, approximately $820,000 US dollars. Now, imagine a world whereby you could price climate risk and opportunities in real time, unlocking billions of dollars in value. Imagine a world where you could use Agrails data to understand infrastructure opportunities, energy opportunities, oil and gas opportunities, carbon credit opportunities in real time. That is the future Agrails is building. If this is interesting to you, we welcome you to talk to us a bit more. Thank you.